The first thing we are going to do with this firing up of the new loco will be lightly oil all the moving parts, and we start with the tender. Then we move on with all the moving parts on the loco, so I can then show you here. So just a little droplet of light oil here and there, and that should do. As one can see, there is some water in the water bath and the gas tank is already filled up, and now we are moving to fill up the boiler. And we have to take the roof off, which we can like this, just slide it off. And here is the filler valve, the E-knot valve, in which you can pump in water. And here one can see that there's already water in the boiler halfway now. Another thing what we need to do is to fill up the oiler. And here you can see the cap of the oiler. I've already done it, but you can unscrew it, suck out some residue water from firing up the time before, and then fill it up with fresh steam oil. You should do that all the time. So now the whole combination is ready to fire up. We have the door opened, as you can see, and now we open the gas regulator, let some gas coming out, and there we have it. It's already burning in the back. It's possible to see something. See, there's a blue flame. It's always, the flame should always be in the back. Leave the door open for half a minute until everything is warm, and then you can close the door. For this video we leave the top of the cap off so that we can see everything clearly, but under normal running conditions you just put it on, as you will see in a video later on. So the water is there, we wait until there's pressure on the pressure gauge, and you see the main regulator which will put the model in action. Now we have to be patient and wait until there's some pressure. If we carefully look, now we can see the needle is moving slowly, and we wait until we have a little bit more pressure, and then we'll open the regulator. The safety valve starts making little noises, so that means that there's enough pressure so we can open the regulator and see what happens. First we get water in the cylinder, so we have to get rid of that. But once that's done, then we'll move. You just don't have enough pressure, I think, so I have to be a little bit more patient. This is after 2 minutes. We light up the model again, open the gas valve gently. There we have it. Because the model is already hot, we can close the door now. Now we try it again, open the regulator, and probably she will go. Yeah, there she is. We'll slow her down first a bit. Very smooth running, as you can see. can speed it up a bit. First let's do some slow running. And we can see the motion very clearly. So this is the first time she's under steam. Very smooth movement, as you can see. This is steaming up right out of the box, so nothing has been done yet, and it runs like this, so that's great. We've closed the regulator. Now we can put her in reverse. And then we'll open the regulator again. And she's running backwards. You can see. Also very smooth movement. No problem there. I'll shut off the gas and then we'll see how long she needs to slow down. I would say a very successful first run for this beautiful model. I'm very pleased with it.